want to welcome you to the Hustlery Launchpad series, where we take your business to the next level, or should I say, where we help you take your business to the next level. Because what we've done is we've put together a systematic approach that you can implement in your environment to take your business into the market, grow your business, create visibility with our amazing software platform. After a few years in the industry, we've realized that it's very important to have a plan to grow your business. And what we're going to do through this series, we're going to take you through our marketing plan and also show you how our software works in alignment with this marketing plan. In this series, you're going to learn how to easily launch ads with our AI ad launcher. You can literally launch ads within a few minutes after creating your ad accounts, etc. And then from there, we're going to teach you why it's important to capture leads, have an environment where you can see what's going on in your company with a sales pipeline, a dashboard, knowing your conversion rates, and then also our nurturing processes, our automations, why it's important for you to automatically send your leads a WhatsApp message while you're busy, because that speed to lead is very important. So we're going to show you all our strategies, and then we're going to show you how to implement those strategies by yourself very effortlessly with our amazing software platform. At the end of the day, what we want to achieve is we want to empower businesses to get into the market effortlessly and affordably, because we want to help you scale. We want to get you to a point where you can be like, you know what, guys, I'm growing, I'm getting enough cash flow. We want to consult with you and take our business to the next step after we've been on that bigger step. So what we're going to do is now we're going to quickly go through the platform in a brief few minutes so that you can just get a quick idea of some of the features that you can expect to learn, going into this journey. But before we jump into the system, let's quickly look at our philosophy, which is the Pareto principle. So this principle says that 20% of the effort that you put in gives you 80% of the results. And that is what we do when we work with our clients. We want to say, listen, a lot of companies like to focus on this 80%, which is your branding, and it's not measurable, and having billboards and all these things. But when you have a measurable or a systematic approach within your marketing, it's very measurable. It's like, okay, cool, I'm spending 20 Rand. What do I get out of that? What is my return on investment? So that is our systematic approach. And how does that systematic approach look? Essentially, this is what we do when we work with our bigger clients. We say, cool, who's your target audience? So let's take permanent makeup as an example. Permanent makeup, target audience is most of the time women. So what are we going to do with our content and our offer? We're going to create something that would talk to that audience, that would talk to a lady that wants to get permanent makeup. And then we look at pay to get attention. So we need to then see, where do this audience hang out? For example, permanent makeup is something that you can advertise on Facebook, but plumbing is not, because someone's not going to just see an ad of someone, providing a plumbing service and decide, okay, cool, I need a plumber. What usually happens is that you have a burst pipe in your house and you go onto Google and you go search for a plumber. Then from there, we always tell people it's important to capture leads, because at the moment people have a WhatsApp button and they get a ton of WhatsApp messages, or they have sticky notes and they don't know what's going on in their business. What you need to learn is that it's important for you to build a relationship with the leads that you capture within your environment, because that is how you build trust. That's how you build authority within your industry, and that's how people decide, listen, I'm going to buy from this person. So this is the system that we implement in our clients' environment to help their companies grow. And essentially, like I said in the beginning, this is the system that you're going to implement. So let's take a look at the system and revert back to the software. Firstly, we have our target audience content and pay to get attention. That is key one. That is visibility. That is you getting your company into the market. So with Hustlery, how would that work? With our AI ad launcher, all you need to do is, let's say, for example, my company, I'm going to advertise Hustlery. For me, I understand that, a lot of people searching for, lead generation and stuff like that can use my platform. So all that you need to do is you just put in your website. If you don't have a website, you can also put in your Facebook link. You put in your what your business is, or your idea, your company name, and in a few words, just explain what your company does. You click on generate content, and then from there, the AI writes your copy for you. It helps you with your target audience, and you can literally just click create ad. It's the same with Facebook. So as you can see on the right hand side, the AI has already written my ads for me, and it's also helped me with my targeting as well. So without knowing how to use Facebook ads or Google ads, you can literally launch ads within a few minutes. Then we talk about step 2 in our sales or our systematic approach, that is capturing. Then your leads will come in here to our sales pipeline. Then you can see what's going on. Who's my new leads? Who's been contacted? Who's hot? Who's booked a demo? So then you can understand what's going on in your business. Because if you don't know your numbers, that is one of the first Achilles heels that you're gonna start picking up in your business. Because you need to know, what am I paying per lead? What is my conversion rate? So that if for every 1,000 Rand that I spend, I get X amount of clients. That is important for you to know. Then we look at our automations or our nurturing within this environment. As soon as a lead comes in, they immediately get a WhatsApp. So while I'm busy, for example, I'm a plumber, someone sees my ad on Google, they fill in a form. While I'm busy fixing a pipe, the leads that come in will automatically get a WhatsApp. Hey, Yuan, I see that you just filled in my form on my landing page. I'll call you as soon as I'm done, or as soon as I get to it, or whatever the case may be. So this is our systematic approach. What you would see here on the left hand side, there is a ton of features, but like I said with my introduction earlier, is that we focus on the Pareto principle, which says that 20% gets you the 80% of the results. So part of this Launchpad journey and series is focusing on that 20%. Within an environment, you can build websites, you can send newsletters, you can do SMS marketing, WhatsApp marketing. There's a ton of features. But with our Launchpad series, we want to launch your business. We want to focus on that 20% that's going to get you the 80% of the results. And that's the key steps: visibility, capturing your leads, and building a relationship with them so that you can nurture them. So see you in the next video, where we're going to talk more in depth about our AI ad launcher and how you can implement that in your business within the next few hours. See you in the next video.